Hey guys, what's up? It's me, JT, the Horn Hippie, and today we are going to be unboxing the Sennheiser HD280 Pro headphones. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got these because my Sony's just started hurting my ears a little bit. Ooh, nice, okay. Gorgeous, look at that. Oh, instruction manual. Oh, look at that. Look how cushy these look. Oh man, they got a nice little head cushion there. Sick, okay. And then just unwrapping the cord. I like how tightly coiled this is. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's a nice coil there. Because my Sony's, the coil's a little bit loose at this stage, and it goes all over the place when I try to hang them up on my desk. So, oh my gosh, this is tricky. Okay, come on. Oh, sheesh. Maybe it would help if I undid this zip tie. Let's see. Awesome. Well, anyway, these are like the top of the line, like mixing and editing headphones. They have no bleed out, so like they're pretty silent if you're listening and someone else is in the room. They're not going to bleed sound out, and that was my main choice in getting them. This attachment, I call it a 1/4 inch, but I know it's some other type of attachment. I'm going to put it, right here. Bing! So you can plug that into whatever mixing station, or you can remove it to have an 1/8 inch jack, so you can put it wherever. This will plug into any interface or any computer that you need to mix on. Cool, so that's the unboxing. These are super high quality. I'm so excited to get using them. They feel ultra cushy and comfortable. I'm very excited to put these on my ears. Let's see if they fit. Okay, what's up guys? Yeah, okay, they fit amazing. They feel so comfy, and I can't really hear anything outside. They're really noise canceling, so super stoked on these, and gonna test them out now. So thanks for watching. See you next time.